Imagine empty oceans, collapsed ecosystems, and extinct species. Scientists predict that in less than 35 years, by 2048, there will be no fish left in the oceans. However, our society is fortunate enough to have scientists that work in the field of aquatic ecology, doing everything in their power to stop our planet from collapsing. Stemming from the Latin word aqua for water, aquatic means relating to water. Therefore, aquatic ecologists are ecologists that study the water and its inland surrounding. This term is very broad and encompasses many career branches such as limnology and oceanography. In this video, we will be expanding on this career and talking about scientists that have made significant contributions. Although this career sounds like dealing with climate change deniers, it covers a lot more and requires a lot more education. As mentioned before, there are many career options that branch out from aquatic ecology. However, a bachelor in science or a bachelor in arts is crucial in ecology to get a strong enough foundation to work in this field. A bachelor's in art is more suitable for practical work, while a bachelor in science would be preferred for desk-based research and lab testing. After a minimum of 4 years in universities to earn their bachelor degree, students can focus on key areas such as environmental biology, microbiology, or zoology. If a student wants to pursue long-term career development and project work, a master's degree is highly recommended. For academic lecturing and research, a doctorate is mandatory. What jobs are offered? After students finish their 4 years of university, they are now ready to look for a job. A bachelor's degree in ecology can lead to many career options, such as working for state parks or national parks and conservation roles, for federal organizations like the EPA, or as researchers or policymaking and advisory. Aquatic ecologists can also do hands-on jobs, such as collecting data on plant life, organisms, and water quality in the field. Or they can study aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems, fish, and wildlife habitat. Some people may choose to use biological modeling tools and software to create hypotheses and scenarios to model and extrapolate results to real-world aquatic environments. Some other jobs include designing fish and plant surveys, drawing samples for organisms and water quality, drafting scientific and technical reports, implementing aquatic harvest regulation systems, proficiency using software applications including statistical, population, and habitat modeling, and geographic information systems. For senior aquatic ecologists, there are a lot more management opportunities, such as assessing and offering feedback on reports, managing projects, and delegating tasks to plan and lead scientific projects, contributing to ecological assessments and survey programs, and also environmental permitting. It is crucial for all aquatic ecologists to stay updated with research and current developments in their particular subfield of interest. This is so that they can provide knowledge and feedback on aquatic ecosystem interrelationships. An aquatic ecologist's salary is included under the category of zoology and wildlife biology. As of May 2015, the recorded pay for the United States was a $60,000 median. Depending on experience, the range was between $39,000 and $97,000. Demand, qualification, and state will all vary factors, amongst others. As the Earth is nearing an environmental collapse, aquatic ecologists will be needed for environmental protection. Yet, environmental demand is expected to be lower for the next 10 years compared to most other sectors. For inspiring aquatic ecologists, it is suggested that they look for job opportunities worldwide instead of staying in Canada. In a nutshell, aquatic ecologists study the interrelationship between flora, which is a scientific term for plant species, and fauna, the scientific term for animals, fungi, etc., and other environments in lakes, streams, ponds, oceans, and other bodies of water. They research and work with areas of water and their associated dry land that depends on the working relationship between them. Their work can include studying the impacts of invasive species or habitat loss, the result of pollution into water bodies, and their impact on the life forms. Of course, to do all these things, aquatic ecologists need appropriate equipment such as water samplers, plankton nets, sediment cores, plankton samplers, subsamples, and microscopes, and also computers to store data or for data analysis.
Created using Powtoon.